guys, it's Francis from Decor Steals. So we're here, we're gonna talk today about our lanterns. I know you guys have been waiting for them. You guys have been really waiting, and people have been signing up for the wish list. So we brought them today. I'm sorry, I don't know why I'm talking so loud. I forgot we got the mics. So we brought them today, and they're up on the site today. So I personally, I'm going to talk about the white one because the white one is my personal favorite. So they all have the nice distressed looking to them. You can place them inside or outside. If you do place them outside, you can go ahead and spray them with like a clear protective spray, or you don't have to spray it. If you don't spray it, it will give you like a more weathered look, but we personally think that'll add more charm to it. So whichever works best for you guys can go ahead and do. Also, I want to show you guys the back. So the back, you can open it, kind of like, you know how you guys take a regular pumpkin and you scoop all that goopy stuff out. Why do that? Just get one of these. You can go ahead and open the back of it, and I'm going to show you that you can actually like fit like an LED candle in there to give it, you know, that jack-o'-lantern, I was going to say jack-o'-lantern, but jack-o'-lantern feel to it. So let me just go ahead, place it down so I don't drop it. And then show you guys that you can go ahead and open this, and then we have one of our little candles that you can just go ahead, place in there. Sorry, I'm not as smooth as I like to think I am. And then you can just go ahead and lock this, and then I'm gonna place it back, and then you can just have your light right in there like so. So the white one does have more distressing. This was just a sample that we designed because we personally designed these lanterns. You cannot get them anywhere else. So we personally designed them, and when we got the sample of the white one, we wanted a little bit more distressing. So when you do order this one, it will come with more distressing to it. Okay, but look how cute they are and their little faces. So you can always place like LED candles inside of them. You, like I said, you can set them up inside or outside, protected or unprotected. It will add a weathered look to it. And they are on the site today. So if you guys just go to www.decorsteals.com, you will see that we have these. These are going really fast, and we have fast shipping. So they should ship by the end of the week. These will be shipping out by the end of the week. So really fast shipping. You'll get them in time. Halloween's right around the corner. We also even have our Halloween sign. Excuse me, I have our Halloween sign up on the site as well. Fast shipping as well. That should be shipping out by the end of the week. Sorry, excuse me. So you guys want to go ahead, get on the site, www.decorsteals.com, and go check it out. Grab your lanterns today, and make sure you guys go ahead and try and grab a Halloween sign. Halloween is right around the corner, you guys. So if we don't have any questions about our lanterns, do we have any questions, Mandy?
No, do you want to mention one more time where we should get all this
So you're going to get all this cute stuff right here. You're going to get our lanterns and our Halloween sign that we have up here. You're going to go to www.decorsteals.com. Again, that's www.decorsteals.com, and you can go ahead and grab your lanterns today, get them set up for Halloween, and we'd love to see how they look once you guys get them and put them up.